What's up guys? For those that actually subscribe to my channel, you already know that currently I am working on developing a high frequency trading software to do Forex latency arbitrage for us. And for those who didn't subscribe. So for the past few days I was doing a research on the fastest data providers that I can use in my software. And in this video I will show you what I got so you can benefit from my research. Let's go! Okay guys, so the first data provider I found and I think is worth to mention is the LMAX provider. Basically LMAX is a London-based company and they are known as one of the fastest data providers. When it comes to demo account, they allow demo accounts, but unfortunately the speed of the demo account is not so fast as the live account. So actually you cannot use the demo account for the fast feed of data, but you can use their live account. But in order to open live account, you need to make a deposit of at least $10,000. So it's a lot of money, but yeah, it's only the trading deposit. It depends on you what you will do with this. Okay, the technology. So LMAX provides two ways of connecting to their data servers. One way is of course the FIX protocol that is known as an industry standard, so you can connect to the LMAX using FIX protocol, but they also provide their own C# library. So you can use predefined functions and methods and classes that are built into this library to establish the connections and to get the prices from the server. If you're new, I would suggest to go with this C# library, but if you know FIX protocol, go ahead. The next data feed that is worth to mention is Rhythmic. So Rhythmic is a data provider, and in order to get access to this, you need to register with the broker which is using the Rhythmic as a data provider. As an example, one of those brokers is AMP Futures. So if you want to use Rhythmic, you need to go to the AMP Futures and open a demo account. Okay, and what about speed? Luckily enough, the Rhythmic provides the same data speed for the demo account and live account, so speed is the same. So you can use demo account as a fast feed. But there is one trick. With AMP Futures, the demo account is active only for the 20 days. So when your demo account will expire, you just need to go to the AMP Futures and open another demo account on another email and so on. But if you want to open the live account, you need to make a deposit to the broker. The minimum amount is $500, so it's not so bad. And the technology, guys. So Rhythmic basically provides to you two libraries to work on. One is written in C++ and the second one in C#. Next one. The next broker is Saxo Bank. I think most of you already heard about Saxo Bank. Me, I personally heard about it from the BBC TV series about the traders. But I had no idea they provide a really fast feed. So how to get quotes from the Saxo Bank? Once again, luckily enough, they provide a demo account, and the speed of quotes on the demo account is the same as on the live account. So we can use demo account as a fast feed. Just go to their website, register demo account, and you are ready to go. But if you want to open the live account on the Saxo Bank, you need to make a deposit, and like in LMAX, the deposit needs to be at least $10,000. Technology, guys. The Saxo Bank also provides two ways to communicate with their data servers. One is of course by using WebSockets. So you can establish the WebSocket connection, you can use even JavaScript. And the second way to connect to their servers is by using SignalR, the C# SignalR. If you don't know what is SignalR, basically SignalR is a Microsoft library for the .NET applications, which main function is to stream data. Next one. The next data feed is called the CQG. So basically CQG is the USA data provider. If you want to use this CQG data feed, you need to also go to their website, and you also got two options. You can open the demo account and the live account. When it comes to speed, the speed is also the same in both connections. So if you want to open a demo account, you need to go to their website, register as a demo account, and you are ready to go. But if you want to open the live account, You need to also go to their website, register your live account, and they require you to make initial deposit. But wait for it, the initial deposit needs to be at least $250. I think that's a good price for a fast data feed. It's not even a price, it's just trading deposit. And now the technology. So CQG provides to you the library written in C#. So you can use the predefined classes, methods to establish your own connection with the servers. And yeah, that's what I found. There's also Reuters, Bloomberg, but they are so expensive and that I decided to not include them in this video. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. If you're new to this channel, just go ahead and check out my other videos. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.